to my Dream It, Do It series. It's day 26 today and it's so good to have you here with me. Today I'm talking about what I believe to be quite an exciting and intriguing topic. It's affirmations and incantations. So first up, what is the difference between an affirmation and an incantation? Let's start with affirmations. When you affirm something, you confirm it to be true. An affirmation is an intentional phrase that you repeat over and over until you believe that it is true. An incantation is essentially a supercharged affirmation. It's where you take that affirmation and you embody it. You say it with meaning, with purpose, and you feel it in your whole body until you know that it is true. So the fundamental difference between affirmations and incantations is one, you repeat it over and over and over to believe it's true. The other, you do the same thing but you embody it, you feel it, you believe it, you sense it in every part of your body. With affirmations, you're training your conscious mind, and with incantations, you're going deep and getting into your subconscious mind with that power statement. So why use affirmations or incantations? If you think about it, every result or circumstance that you have in your life has come about as a result of an action that you have taken. You take an action which causes a result. It's the simple truth of cause and effect. But what is it that drives your actions? Well, it's what you think about before you take the action. So you think something which causes you to take an action which triggers a result. So working that back, it's your thoughts that ultimately determine your results, your circumstances, your life situation. So for that reason, how we think, what we choose to think about is so fundamentally important to the life that we're going to end up living in reality. And this is where affirmations and incantations can come in to help. There are, of course, other things that help you choose what to think, feeding your mind with daily education and learning and visualization. But incantations and affirmations are a very specific way to direct your thought processes. And if we can direct our thought processes and control our thoughts, we ultimately control our actions, we control the results, we control our life. So that is why using affirmations and incantations is such a helpful tool to get you to that life of your dreams. So how do we know what to put into an affirmation or an incantation? And then how do we use it to get the best results? Although there is a wealth of different affirmations that you can go and find by doing a quick search online, I would recommend that the best way to create an affirmation that is really going to be effective and work for you is to take a quiet moment and create your own affirmation. So how do you do that? Let me walk you through it. This is a really quick and simple process, but you do need a little bit of quiet time, so find yourself a space where you can sit with your notebook and pen, maybe get a nice drink to hand, and just make sure that you're not going to be disturbed for 5 to 10 minutes while you work on creating at least one affirmation. Of course, you may have several for different areas of your life that you want to create and use. So, sitting comfortably, let's get started. We're going to work through one affirmation and you can just repeat this process for as many different affirmations as you want to create. So first up, write down the thing that you desire, the thing that you want this affirmation to be about. For example, you might have a business goal in mind, a work promotion, a monetary amount of income that you want to make, a health or fitness goal, a weight loss target that you want to achieve. Whatever it is, write it down as your starting point. Next up, we're going to work through a few iterations of positive statements that affirm the thing for yourself that you desire. So, best way to do this is with an example. Let's just say that the thing that you wrote down your desire is to lose weight. Some of the most powerful affirmations begin with the two words I am. So you're going to start by writing down the words I am. And then we're going to work through various different iterations, trying different ideas of ways to phrase you having achieved the thing that you wrote down as your goal. So for example, weight loss is your goal. I could write down, I am feeling fit, healthy and amazing at my perfect weight. That's just one example. You could also go with, I am living my healthiest and best life at the weight that is perfect for me. You can see there's just lots of different ways, work through different wordings, and what you're looking for is to feel a click on one of the sentences where you think, yes, that really feels true for me. I can believe this. And if I say this over and over and over again, and ultimately as we begin to use this affirmation as an incantation, you can really feel this and believe it to be true in your whole being. So take a bit of time, start with I am, and then write out different ideas until you hit on one that feels right for you. So how did you get on? Affirmations can be as short or as long as you choose them to be. It's whatever works for you. Here's a few other examples of simple affirmations that maybe will trigger your imagination. I am strong, I am fit and healthy, I am confident, I am calm, I have all the wealth I could ever need, I am at my perfect weight, the universe provides me with an abundance in all things. So you can see it doesn't always have to start with I am. It's just that that's quite a good starting place when you're first beginning to write your affirmations. But as you get more experience with this and start following your intuition a bit more over what makes a good affirmation for you, you can play with it and essentially come up with whatever works best for you. So you've got your affirmation written down. You may want to repeat this exercise to get a few different ones if you've got a couple of different goals or dreams that you want to bring into your reality. But how do we use that affirmation and how do we bring it to life in that incantation so we really embody it, not just in our conscious mind, but in our subconscious mind? So using your power statement as an affirmation, you want to be saying this over and over, repeating it throughout your day where possible. At least once a day, maybe in your morning routine. Remember, we covered the lifesavers in a video earlier on in this series, and one of those was affirmations. So every day, take at least one opportunity to say your affirmations. Try looking in a mirror when you say your affirmations, because that's a great way to really get into your soul with it. Another way to use your affirmations is to write them out and put them somewhere where you will see them every day. Maybe you could have your affirmation written out on your vision board. You could handwrite it out or print it out and stick it on the mirror where you clean your teeth every day so that you can look at it and repeat it in your head. Or maybe you dedicate a page in your notebook or your bullet journal to write out your affirmation or affirmations and keep returning to them every day. Another great idea with your affirmation is to memorize it. Commit it to your memory, and that is the first step to really starting to embody it and moving towards incantations. So if you remember, an incantation is where you embody and really feel with every fibre of your body the truth of the affirmation that you are saying. At this point, we're not just thinking the affirmation in our head or saying it, although we should be saying it out loud for an incantation. We're using our whole body to feel the truth of it. You say your incantation with intensity and conviction, and as though you believe it to be as true as the sun rising and setting every day. Stand as if you already have your dream. Breathe as if you already have it, and believe with every bone in your body that you already have the thing that you are saying the affirmation for. As you return to your incantation time and time again with that intensity and that passion, you are going to become the thing that you are affirming. And above all else, whether you are using your power statement as an affirmation or as an incantation, you must feel good in the moment that you are using your power statement. So you're looking to feel it, become it, and live it. And that is how you train your thoughts to deliver your actions, to deliver your desired results. I hope that you found value from my video about affirmations and incantations today. It's certainly a topic that I love to talk about, love to learn about, and creating my own affirmations and incantations. If you've taken the time to write your own affirmations and you're happy to share them, please do drop them in the comments below. I would love to read them and see what they are. If you've enjoyed this video today, please do remember to give it a like and don't forget to be subscribed. I'm going to be back tomorrow for the next Dream It, Do It video. And until then, I'm going to say bye for now. I believe in you and keep dreaming big.